Coffee with the Mighty Miracle Man time. I'm thinking, and I've seen it once already on this channel, but I'm gonna say it again. Focus on yourself, level up your game, go out and make money, go out and get the good job, be stable. eh, that being said, a strong body equals a strong mind. So one of the first steps is getting in the gym, or even if you don't have a gym, do exercises. And nutrition is also important, and that gives your body the needed nutrients to level up, live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.